In this video, I will review several pairs of Chelsea boots that can be worn from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., walking long distances, and traveling on the bus and train. These boots don't have a slippery sole, and they are not too heavy for all-day wear. The 4 Chelsea boots are the Margaux Chelsea boots, the Legend boots by Thursday Boot Company, the Blundstone BL1901 dress ankle Chelsea boots, and the Blundstone BL558 classic 550 Chelsea boots. The Margaux Chelsea boots are classic Chelsea boots that are easy to slip on. They are made of German waterproof suede, and they are leather lined. These shoes have a slight heel for support and a rubber lug sole for traction. So you can see the lug sole here. And they were exactly what I was looking for. They are sleek, the sole is not too large, they are not heavy, and they are not rugged. They have a pointier toe box than the Blundstone and Thursday Boot Co. boots, but they come in a variety of widths, from narrow to regular to wide. These boots are sleek enough to wear with a wool skirt and a blazer, and they can be dressed down with jeans and a fisherman's sweater. They also come in a variety of colors: sand suede, moss suede, and classic black suede. These boots were comfortable right out of the box, and they didn't require any break-in time. The suede is soft and conforms to your foot. These boots are the most expensive boots on the list, retailing for $375. If you are looking for more affordable Chelsea boots that are comfortable right out of the box, but they are a bit more rugged than the Margaux boots, I suggest these Thursday Boot Company Legend boots. These boots have a sleek, stylish design, and they can be dressed up or down. These boots retail for $160. They don't come in a variety of widths, but the toe box is comfortable enough for wide feet. They are made of soft, supple leather, and they have a rubber lug sole for traction and durability. The pour-on shock-absorbing insole forms to your feet over time for all-day comfort. These shoes are comfortable right out of the box, and they don't require any break-in time. I also purchased 2 pairs of Blundstone boots, the BL1901 dress ankle Chelsea boots, and the BL558 classic 550 Chelsea boots. The BL1901 dress ankle Chelsea boots retail for $244.95. They have a leather sole and a removable comfort footbed. They also have a cushioned midsole for supportive comfort. The leather is very smooth but inflexible. These boots were uncomfortable the moment I placed them on my feet. The top of the boot, this area, dug into my ankle when I walked, and these boots need to be broken in to obtain maximum comfort. I assume that after they're broken in, they will be great everyday boots. The Blundstone BL558 classic 550 Chelsea boots retail for $219.95. These boots are made of soft leather, although the leather is inflexible. These boots have a leather upper, leather lining, and a rubber lug sole for traction. They also have a comfortable removable footbed with comfort technology in the heel pad and a shock protection system at the heel that reduces skeletal stress on the lower limbs and vertebrae. This Blundstone style is much more comfortable than the previous style, the BL1901 dress ankle Chelsea boots, but these do require break-in time also to obtain maximum comfort. They also come with a multi-fit inner sole. This BL558 style is much more rugged than the BL1901 style. They would be great outdoor or hiking boots, but can also be dressed up. They are not as sleek as the other Blundstone style, the Margaux and the Thursday Boot Company boots. So if you're looking for rugged outdoor boots that can be worn when performing many outdoor activities, I suggest these boots. Blundstone recommends ordering these styles a half size larger than their normal shoe size if you have wide feet. All of these boots are beautiful and they can be dressed up or down, worn in all seasons, and are very versatile. These boots can be worn commuting by bus or train, standing on your feet all day, or walking long distances. Some of the boots are more comfortable than others, and some are more rugged than others, but all of these boots can fit a multitude of lifestyles, and these boots are great for spring.